In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay by ACH on Freshbooks. Whether you're managing your personal finances or you're working for a business, Freshbooks offers a streamlined method for handling your billing needs. So let's dive right into it. To start your ACH payment journey on Freshbooks, you'll first need to head over to their website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the Freshbooks URL to access their homepage. Once you're there, you should notice a familiar interface if you've been using it for a while. If not, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly even for newcomers. Next, you'll need to log into your Freshbooks account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you input your email and password. If your login details are correct, you'll be seamlessly directed to your dashboard. Once inside your Freshbooks environment, navigate to the Invoices section. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen, one of the options in the vertical menu bar. Welcoming you here is a list of all your invoices, both sent and received, depending on your business needs. Find the specific invoice that you wish to pay. Click on your chosen invoice to open it up. This will offer you a detailed look at the invoice, including payment options. Now, to proceed, you want to look for the More Actions drop-down menu. Clicking on this will reveal several options related to your invoice's management and payment processing. From the drop-down menu, select Add a Payment. This action will pop up a range of payment method options. We're focusing on ACH today, which stands for Automated Clearinghouse, a convenient and cost-effective way to process bank transactions. So, in the payment method field, make sure to select ACH. It's a great choice if you're looking to efficiently handle transactions directly from your bank account with lower fees compared to credit cards. After you've selected ACH, you need to complete the process by clicking on Add Payment. This confirms your payment selection and processes your invoice directly through the ACH network. And with that, your ACH payment is underway, ensuring that your transactions are not only secure but also efficiently managed within Freshbooks. As you can see, paying by ACH on Freshbooks is straightforward, from logging in to finalizing your payment. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth billing process for your services. Thank you for spending time with us today. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Freshbooks for your ACH payments. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to look for more resources or contact support for more personalized help. Have a great day and see you in the next video.